Want to clear your YouTube search history and ensure your past searches remain private? This video will guide you through the process on both desktop and mobile devices, offering simple steps to maintain your privacy and control your search suggestions. Whether you're concerned about privacy, want to remove embarrassing searches, or simply start fresh, this video is for you. We'll cover methods for both computer and smartphone users, ensuring everyone can easily manage their YouTube search history. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Deleting YouTube search history on desktop. Open the browser on your PC. It does not matter if you have a Windows-based PC or a MacBook. Also, you can use any browser that you like. I will use Google Chrome on my MacBook. Go to youtube.com and sign into your Google account. You need to access history from the left menu. If you do not see this menu, tap the hamburger menu from the top right. Click on History in the left-hand menu. On the right-hand side, click on Manage All History. Now you can see all your history on YouTube. Here we have multiple ways to delete the search. The idea is very simple. You can just go to the search you have done and click the X icon from the right. This will remove the search. The problem is that it's kind of hard to find old searches. If you just done the search, it is easy as it will be located on the top of the history. But what can you do if you did some searches a few days ago, or maybe a few months ago? You can use the features to select a specific date. You have a calendar icon that will allow you to pick a specific date. I also do a small trick. I scroll down as much as I can so I load a lot of history data. After I load how much data I think I need, I use the search feature of the browser. So I click on the hamburger menu of the browser and go to the options Find and Edit and select Find. On the input, I wrote Searched. Now I just use the arrow to see all the search texts. When I find something that I want to remove, I just click on the X from the right of the text. I click Delete to confirm the deletion of the search history. This is how I use my PC to delete search history on YouTube. Deleting YouTube search history on mobile Android and iPhone. The first step is to launch the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. The process should be the same on both devices. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a section called History. Tap on View All in the right of the title. You will see a list of all the videos you watched. Tap on the three dots menu from the top. Now tap on Manage All History. You will see all your history on YouTube. Here we have multiple ways to delete the search. The idea is very simple. You can just go to the search you have done and click the X icon from the right. This will remove the search. The problem is that it's kind of hard to find old searches. If you just done the search, it is easy as it will be located on the top of the history. You can also use the calendar icon to go to a specific date. So just scroll down and see all your history. When I find something that I want to remove, I just click on the X from the right of the text. This is how I delete search history on YouTube on mobile phones. With these simple steps, you can easily delete your YouTube search history and maintain control over your privacy and online footprint. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.